Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nokia G11 smartphone, and in today's video we are going to show how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. First of all, let me show how does the keyboard look without the separate number row, just like so. So from now on we gotta go to the keyboard settings by either pressing on this gear right here, or we can also just open settings. Here look for the system category, languages and input. Next we gotta choose the on-screen keyboard, Gboard, and at the Gboard settings page just go for the preferences, and basically all that it's left to do is to turn on the number row switch. And as you will see now, we have successfully activated the separate number row that is located right on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.